Hey guys, what's going on? This is John Fears, and I am with the wonderful, the talented, the amazing Megan at Zod Table at Contamination DEFCON 4. Megan, this is a pleasure and an honor. Now, if you could just tell all the fans, what is Zod all about, and why do we need Zod?
ZOD stands for Zombification, Orientation, and Defense. We are a local cosplay group. We are based out of the book Apocalypse of Enoch.
Okay.
And we are the fighting force that fights back the zombie apocalypse.
Awesome.
Which is pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
We also focus on disaster preparedness. We teach classes.
Okay.
You know, just kind of go from there. But basically, you need to be prepared. Not just for a zombie apocalypse, but for anything.
The first question I have for you, if zombies take over, like you said, you give classes, what do we need to have in our little zombie prepared kit?
Okay, first, obviously you want weapons.
Weapons. So that's the first one. I'd say probably the next food, water.
Right, food, water. In your home, you want 2 weeks at least of food and water to get your family through the beginning of a disaster.
Maybe some survival gear?
Definitely. Any kind of gear that you...
Camping gear?
Camping gear would be good. But it's any gear that you can personally use. So you don't want to get a bunch of gear that you have no idea how you're going to use it.
So nerds out there, not buy a shitload of DVDs, buy canned food.
Right.
Unbelievable.
Yes, but food and weapons is really what you need.
I would say the weapon of choice for me is a good old, nice, sharp machete.
Right.
As you have demonstrated here.
Yes.
Let's have a look at this one.
Okay.
Now this one is pretty going nuts.
Yes.
How do we take it out? There we go.
This is my favorite blade.
So that's your. So this could take zombies out.
Absolutely.
Like that.
Right.
And grappling hook here.
Yeah.
That's always good.
Right.
This is always a nice, quick escape. If you're
Right.
running down a street and there's like 1,800 zombies behind you, get to a side of the building and you don't know what to do. You're like, oh, I know what to do. Just take this thing, you give it a little twirl, and boom, you throw it up, and you'll be good to go.
Your best defense from zombies
Up the wall.
is to run.
Absolutely. Well, Megan, I think we've got a lot of information, and if the fans wanted to check out Zod, where would they go to check it out?
They would go to www.zod001.com.
And when they're there at the website, what are they going to see?
They are going to see basically all of our current events. There's a place to actually enlist, so you get our newsletters. And
So you can become a part of the team?
Absolutely.
Okay. And one more time on that?
It is www.zod001.com.
Right. Well, it's been an honor and a pleasure. Be sure to check out this interview at www.contamination.com and FearsMan26 on YouTube, and we'll see you later. Alligator. All right, bye.